Welcome to Basic C++ Programming. Episode 5, Conditional Statements in C++. Conditional statements in C++ control the flow of a program by executing code based on true or false conditions. The if statement executes a block of code only when the given condition is true. The if-else statement allows one block of code to run when the condition is true and another when it is false. The else-if ladder is used when multiple conditions need to be checked sequentially. The switch statement is used to select one option from multiple fixed choices using case labels. This diagram shows how conditions are evaluated and different code blocks are executed. This code demonstrates decision making using an if-else statement. When the program runs, it prints output based on the evaluated condition. This example uses the if statement to check whether the age is greater than or equal to 18. The output of example 1, if statement is as follows. Eligible to vote. This example uses if-else to check whether a number is even or odd. The output of example 2, if-else statement is as follows. Odd number. This example demonstrates the else-if ladder to assign grades based on marks. The output of example 3, else-if ladder is as follows. Grade B. This example shows how the switch statement selects an option based on the value of a variable. The output of example 4, switch statement is as follows. Option 2. Here are 5 exercises for practice. Exercise 1. Check whether a number is positive or negative. Exercise 2. Find the largest of two numbers using if-else. Exercise 3. Write a program to check pass or fail. Exercise 4. Use else-if ladder for a grading system. Exercise 5. Create a menu-driven program using the switch statement. Thank you for watching episode 5. Stay tuned for the next episode on loops in C++ programming.